Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best video game costume is probably one of the most exciting ways to express your love for gaming. Whether you're attending a convention, a Halloween party, or just want to have some fun, a well-chosen costume can bring your favorite characters to life. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? Let's dive in and explore some fantastic choices. Number 5. The Legend of Zelda Link Master Sword. This is an officially licensed costume prop, a perfect replica for Zelda fans. It brings the iconic sword to life, making it the ultimate addition to your Legend of Zelda costume collection. It comes complete with a Master Sword and sheath, offering both style and convenience. The sword fits securely in the sheath, making it easy to carry and display during events. High-quality materials and attention to detail give this sword an extraordinary look. Feel the power of this legendary sword as you channel the hero's strength from the Legend of Zelda. Whether you're dressing up as Link or adding to your memorabilia, this sword is a must-have. Its realistic design captures the essence of the sword seen throughout the Zelda franchise. The Master Sword design offers a unique and striking look. It is perfect for Halloween costumes, cosplay events, or simply displaying as part of your collection. Make every adventure legendary. What we like. This officially licensed replica brings the iconic sword to life. It comes with a sheath for easy carrying and display. If you are a Zelda fan looking for an authentic and complete accessory for cosplay or display, you should consider this. What people say. It was perfect for my son's, 8 years old, Link costume for Halloween. It looks just like the sword in the game, and it is top 2 most loved toys I've ever bought for my child. Looks so much like the one in the game. Number 4. Disguise Men's Bowser Kit, Adult. Are you ready to bring the heat? This kit lets you transform into the iconic Bowser. It's perfect for any fan looking to make a grand entrance. This costume features a detailed design that captures Bowser's menacing look. The vibrant colors and quality materials make it stand out. You'll feel like you've stepped right out of the game. The kit includes everything you need to become the ultimate villain. From the shell to the claws, it has all the essential elements. Get ready to stomp your way into the party. Despite its imposing appearance, it's designed for comfort. You can wear it for hours without feeling restricted. Enjoy the fun without sacrificing ease of movement. Whether it's Halloween or a themed event, this costume is a winner. It's a great choice for cosplay or simply having fun. Get ready to make a memorable impression. What we like. This costume embodies the essence of the iconic Bowser character. It's a complete outfit, making it easy to transform into the beloved villain. If you are looking for a quick and recognizable costume, this is the one for you. What people say. Great Bowser costume, should fit most normal-sized adults too. The shell fits food and is pretty stretchy, yes, I'm sure it can fit a lot of sizes. Same with the hat piece, it's a bit large on myself but it works and fits well enough not to move around too much. Just the neck part is a bit big on myself and it isn't adjustment at all. It just has Velcro patches to hold it in one place which works well. Mask fits well, the shield backpack also Goto quality and looks really good. Number 3. Boys Plants vs Zombies Zombie Halloween Costume. Get ready for a spooky Halloween with this awesome costume. It's perfect for any Plants vs Zombies fan who wants to dress up as a playful zombie. This costume brings the popular video game to life. It's designed to look just like the zombies from the game, making it instantly recognizable. This outfit is all about fun and games. It's designed to be both spooky and playful, perfect for trick-or-treating or a Halloween party. The costume is made with comfort in mind. It's easy to put on and take off, so your child can enjoy the fun without any hassle. Make this Halloween unforgettable with this unique costume. It's a great way for your child to express their love for Plants vs Zombies. What we like. This costume brings the fun of Plants vs Zombies to life. It's designed for a spooky yet playful look. If you like a unique and recognizable costume that's easy to move around in, this is a great choice. What people say. The costume looks exactly like the picture. The material is of good quality. The costume fits perfectly. Number 2. Impostor Adult Inflatable Halloween Spacesuit Costume. Are you ready to be the life of the party? This inflatable spacesuit costume is perfect for Halloween or any costume event. It's a fun and unique way to stand out. This costume gives you the look of an astronaut. It's designed to be eye-catching and memorable. You'll be sure to turn heads wherever you go. Putting on this costume is a breeze. It inflates quickly and easily. You'll be ready to go in no time. If you're a fan of the game, this costume is a must-have. It's a great way to show your love for the game. Get ready to have some fun. Looking for a funny and unique costume? This inflatable spacesuit is the perfect choice. It's guaranteed to bring laughter and joy to everyone around you. What we like. This inflatable costume offers a hilarious and unique look. It's designed to be eye-catching and fun. If you want to stand out at a party or event, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It works perfectly with a USB power bank or the battery box. Although the fabric is very light and thin, it is nevertheless very durable. The costume itself was surprisingly lightweight and had a small fan motor inside to keep it blown up. Number 1. Bioworld Adult Male Men's Snapback. This snapback hat features a classic design. It's perfect for everyday wear and adds a touch of style to any outfit. The hat is designed for a comfortable fit. It is made with quality materials, ensuring it feels great all day long. This hat is built to last. The durable construction means it can withstand daily wear and tear, making it a reliable accessory. It features an adjustable snap closure. This allows you to customize the fit for maximum comfort. This hat is both stylish and versatile. It's a great addition to any wardrobe, suitable for various occasions. What we like. This snapback offers a stylish design for everyday wear. It provides a comfortable fit. If you like to show off your love for video games in a subtle way, this is the perfect accessory for you. What people say. Looks exactly as pictured. The designs are stitched in and have very vibrant colors. The embroidered figures are so cute. This hat is very well made. It fits my very big 11-year-old perfect and he has room to grow into it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.